and the health of me. Don't forget to like, subscribe for the content. Hell yeah. Morning fans, I'm here, Dave Photography. I'm just doing the RSPB Big Gun and Bird Watch at the moment. I'll say I'm just filling for me because at the moment I have seen one chaffinch, seen two coloured doves, seen two robins. I've seen one blackbird. I've seen two dunnocks. So I'll say at the moment, like I said, I'm just taking part at the Big Gun and Bird Watch for this year, 2026. And obviously I've got a brew. So cheers fans, got a brew, got coffee. And it's like that George Thorogood song. I woke up this morning, got myself a coffee. Oh, the tracking. Oh, hang on. Right, there. So fans, the camera just lost me then. But yeah. So, anyway, like I said, I'm just doing the RSPB Big Gun and Bird Watch. So, also don't forget to like and subscribe to me, which is Andy Photography. Be very much grateful. So anyway, what was really didn't RSPB Big Gun and Bird Watch. Maybe just talk for a bit. So, my plans this year, well, Matt going to Iceland with my brother to see the total eclipse, and that falls towards the 60th, so that's good. And then I see my brother-in-law Simon, he'll be 50, 1st of September, so that's good. Then my friend Matt Dawson, he just lives down the road, he'll be 50. Wow. So I say a lot going on this year. And then Dawn Live, I think I should be attending Dawn Live this year because the Lancashire Pot's playing. So did these songs like Chibity and Newton Demo and Kebab Song and all that. So and then there's a new band on, I think called Deadwood Dog. So yeah, quite good. I love Dawn Live, and that's in May. So, and then I see a relative of mine, my cousin, Rosie, she's getting married, I think November time. So I'm open to that. If get the right gear or for wedding, you know, and depending on the lighting and that. So that's really good. So that's some plans for this year. And then once it gets lighter at night, so I'm hoping to do evening walks, so I can capture some wildlife. You know, like the barn owl and the road deer and all that. And that's like the hares, you know, because in March they start boxing. So yeah, that was good. So that's some plans for 2026. So yeah, and sorry if I just cover a bit, you know, because that's just part of my condition of my Tourette's and autism, you know. So, but anyway, let's just carry on just watching the birds for a Big Gun and Bird Watch, and then I say it's also on tomorrow as well because it's always weekend, you know. So it's Friday, Saturday, Sunday, so it's been on. So it's on from the 23rd to 5th of January of this year, 2026. So yeah. And this morning, I topped up my my bird feeder. So there's big covered birds on it. And then look, there's the paper there's there then, but there's also a blue tit that's just come. A blue tit. Yeah, blue tit, a great tit. Oh, it's there, I found it. Swaddent tree. Oh. But yeah, I see a blue tit, so that's just like that, and the territory. So that's it, one blue tit. So yeah, and then as it says, to do it for an hour every time. So that's good. So I've been doing it since about 10ish. So I do it up to about 11:45. So yeah, and then and that's my mother. She's just gone out for an hour. So that's why I just thought I made this vlog, but wash it out, you know. Because I say I've been trying to make and then I look, few blackbirds here, and out rubbing again. It's going on. Few blackbirds here again. And that robin. I've just lost a robin. Yeah, lost a robin. Yeah, lost a robin, but anyway, I see blackbird, so I can put it down again. It's Charlie, blackbird. That's a robin. Yeah, but God, I've lost now what I was saying. But I think I was saying that I say my mum's gone out for an hour, so I say that's why I'm making this vlog, you know. And then also I've always wanted to make my plans video for this year, so I'm now more relaxed and that, and got my DJ on my pocket free, set up a microphone. I can do it all relaxed, you know. So happy it is, yay. So, yeah. And then need to do blue tit again. It's A1. Bottoms up. Oh, and then the robin was up bird feeder then. But then I can also get some. I can get some records from the bird feeder. Oh look, see, look. Oh, just see, robin's gone now. But like I said, I can get some records. I can get some recordings from the app, and I said download them to my phone. Yeah. And then yeah, Robin's back again. Just fell off down the Robin. Been brute it again. But I suppose I can't keep recording the same birds on that territory all the time. Then I was about to say, I topped up some fillies this morning when I got up, because I topped up my bird fat feeder with bird food, and then I topped up I put some bird food on bird table, and then I put some bird food outside because we had this bench outside, and we put some astroturf on it, and I put some bird food on it, you know. So that's it. In our garden in Darwin, we have a bit of wild area for birds, so it's quite good, you know. Doing a bit for wildlife, so it's all good, you know. Then sometimes the birds have like a little squabble or a little fight or whatever. You know, I don't know why, but sometimes a bit feisty and that. It's fun, isn't it? At 10 to 11. Yeah, the fewer blackbirds still here. This is the blue tit here again. It's gone now as a blue tit. And then, my equipment, I'm using the Canon R7 with the Canon RF 100 to 400mm, and that's it's good, you know. Bought it last year from UK Digital in Raw, and it's brilliant. And that's it last year I bought the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 for vlogging and content creation, so that's brilliant. And that's it. Just before Christmas, bought myself a drone, bought myself the DJI Mini 3, and just flown it a little bit, but it's good. So hoping to get higher soon, so higher and higher. so hoping to get it higher soon, so can capture the sunrise and all that in the mornings, or capture nice views, you know. And that Dawn's countryside and downtown that, but I need to do my licence first and possibly a test. So that's good. But anyway, I have to be quiet now and just try and catch some birds. But anyway, once again, don't forget to like and subscribe to me, Richard and After Coffee. Thank you. Not a crow. We're going to shot that then in flight, the crow. Hey, completed on Bear Box. Wow. Oh wow, brilliant. Completed at Bear Box. Wow. I mean, nosy. Wow. Now in fans. That's wrong for ground reports on Monday morning. Monday morning, brute it. I'm ground reports, maybe. But yeah. Because I know last year we had a wren nested at Bear Box. So this year could we brute it? Brilliant. So could have a blue tit nesting this year. Hey. So 5:11. So I'll say once again, I'll just try and be quiet. En dan zie ik follow me on Instagram, but je and photography. Ja. En I'm quite enough hands. Ja, ook. De buiten. Take a nose at the beer box. And then not rubbing his back. That's another one for Italian. How I've been. Well, then then boot it and just put another on tally. Then boot it again on the bird fat feeder. It's bit's gone now. But then she, when my mum comes back, we're gonna go for a walk. So I'll have to end this vlog before she comes back, because now it's at 11 o'clock. So but in it, I should do RSPB bigger and bird watch. It's on from 23rd of January, which is here to 25th of January, which is tomorrow, Sunday. So I say at the moment, I've seen 2 blackbirds, 2 blue tits, 1 chaffinch, 2 coloured doves, 4 robins, and 3 dunnocks. But I think I'll then quit saying birds. But so like I'll just record it anyway. So I say do what I see at the moment. So I've now been recording for like 20 odd minutes. So I say I think I should leave the vlog here, and then I shall get online next week. So don't forget to like and subscribe to me, which is it, and After Cafe. So thank you, and over and out. Thank you.